Hi, my name is Michael Moore. I'm one of the band directors here at Byron Nelson High School. Due to the staffing reductions for this school year, most of our middle school band programs only have one full-time band director, and we really see band as a 6th through 12th grade journey. So to help support those programs, the high school staff is going down to the middle school level to help teach 6th grade beginner classes in a homogeneous setting, as well as support the full 7th and 8th grade band ensembles. So compared to last year, one of the biggest challenges we're facing is that because of an increase in our workload and travel time, we have less time at the high school here for small group and individual instruction, which we feel is really necessary for the development of our students. So over the last few years, we've seen a reduction in our staffing here at the high school level, whereas our student involvement and enrollment continues to increase. A lot of the schools that we see and compete against have 3 full-time band directors, if not 4, and a percussion director, and we currently have 2 full-time band directors and a percussion director. Prop A includes funding to restore assistant band director positions at the middle school level. That would also allow the high school staff to stay on their home campus more often to be able to provide instruction to small groups and individuals, as well as provide more opportunities for our students. So because of the staffing reductions and schedule changes to our schedule, we're no longer able to offer jazz band and AP music theory. So if this election passes, we're looking to add those back onto the course list and provide those to students once again. Early voting is October 20th through the 31st, and election day is November 4th.